Hello, fellow YouTubers and reloaders alike. I'm just posting this video as a heads up for you if you're reloading the 4570 Lever Revolution 325 grain FTX. I got all ready to reload a couple of boxes of this 4570 government 325 grain FTX, and I realized just at the last minute here that the Lee factory crimp die is exactly what it describes. It is a factory crimp die to factory specifications. So the problem I have here is that it crimps for the maximum case length of 2.105, and the problem I've run into is that the case trim length for the 325 grain FTX is 2.040. So this factory crimp die will not crimp those 325 grain FTX because of the special case trim length. So I've what's nice about this, I will say that what's nice about this Lever Revolution is that if you're going to reload a box of this, the brass is almost already trimmed down to the right size. So once you resize the die, or once you resize the brass, and you only have to spend a little bit trimming it off a little bit in order to get it to the right length instead of a whole bunch. So that would be the way I would recommend going. But I'm going to have to make a trip to the store tomorrow and get an RCBS crimp die. I guess the one I've seen is also a bullet seeder as well. So anyways, a heads up to you, you cannot use the Lee factory crimp die for the 325 grain FTX. Anyways, happy reloading to you, and hope you've watched this video before you got all set up to do it. Anyways, cheers.